Boom. Good morning, guys. Uncle Mike 392 out here at Life Church this morning, May the 2nd. Give you guys a time check. It is 9:07. We got a lot of cars out here, guys. This is my 4th video. I'm out here with John. And I'm out here with Greg. What's going on, guys? What's happening? I'm out here with these brothers. What's going on? All right. We out here coughing cars, guys. Oklahoma. You guys think Oklahoma City ain't got big cars? Y'all always tripping. Look at this, man. Look at all this out here. Check this out, guys. Check this out.
I'm gonna have to go subscribe.
I appreciate it, man. I'll put you guys on. You on here right now.
Hey, yeah.
We out here, guys. Oklahoma City. Right out here at Life Church, 178th in Pennsylvania, guys. We here. Yeah, they are. What's behind you? If you see something real nice, tell me to turn around, man. I don't want to miss nothing, man. Cause I'll go home and see you got cars I didn't get. I get mad. Right here? What's up, brother? How you doing?
Real good. How about you, brother?
I'm fine, brother. Thank you. What's going on, young lady?
How are you?
I love this car.
Thank you.
What year is this?
Huh?
What year is this?
07.
Oh, so that's beautiful.
Thank you.
What's going on, man? All right, all right. Whee! This thing, man. Look at this, man. This not just like listen. Woo, listen. You heard that? That's that cam. Got the cam in it. See, I got some good shit today, boy. I'm glad I hung out a little longer. Usually I'd be gone by now. Huh? Oh, yeah, I see that. Wow. And we done seen some nice cars come right through here. Right through this area, right here. No. But they go from two directions. This reminds me of River the Park, son. Remember I used to stand out there and film on River the Park? And they had to move nowhere. Yeah. Now the police wait on the other side over there. What's up, brother?
They ran out of parking.
Yeah, they did. There ain't no more parking space. Remember, this is the church. There ain't gonna be so much parking out there. It ain't like Remember the Park. They had overflows. Like Remember the Park had overflows. Oh, hell no. You even have to orange. And then they
start parking those zones up there.
Yeah. That's why I get out early. I get out early if I can do a good spot.
Okay. Should we go this way?
What's that out here? I hear something on Corvette. What's up, brother? All right, how you doing, man? Love your car, man. I remember when I first started, Greg, nobody knew me out here. Nobody. I wave at people, they look at me like I'm crazy. now they know me. I've been doing this 4 years.
4 years?
Yeah.
They gotta know you.
Yeah, they know me now, but I remember when I first started, nobody knew me, man. They said, well, Uncle Mike 3, now who the hell is he? Now they know.
Not this school bus, but you see that one old school bus?
Yeah, the one with the big Hemi engine. Yeah, the big, yeah, I seen it.
It's heavy though.
Huh?
You know it's heavy.
Oh yeah, no doubt.
Open up and running.
It's far away.
I live back this way.
All the cars, they're top down.
I got you. Guys going on YouTube right now.
Hi, YouTube.
Hey, what's up? ventilation.
Oh, I like this one. Look at that.
It's nice. I like that. What's going on, brother? How you doing, man? All right. Look at that SS Camaro.
Yeah.
I like that. Which one you like right here, John? Oh man, look at this with the red lights on it. What's that down there? See the red lights?
Yeah, I see it.
What is that? John, you ain't even filming, man. That's why you. Oh, look at this. It's an RT. I do. Cause he gonna be here in a little minute. I'll be done got these two before he get up here. Go ahead, brother. Go ahead. I'll go this way. Oh, that's a Mustang salad. Mustang salad. I gotta get this red with these red lights on there.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Huh?
I want to see yes, I'm sorry. I wonder if it's a.
Nah, let's get this guy. That him. YouTube, say, there you go.
Mark, you playing those old school songs.
All time, man. Led Zeppelin, man. That's me. I don't know. I just find shit and put it on there.
Yeah, yeah.
Because they'll let you do that on TikTok. You can put all kind of stuff on. I like Led Zeppelin, Foghat. I got all this stuff on my stuff.
I steal people's songs.
I
I
don't
like a
know.
good song. I'll write it down.
That's it. You said that, not me.
Yeah.
Look at these red lights, man.
The lights show up. Yeah.
Like certain things.
Look at the paint.
What's up, brother?
Going on?
How you doing, man? Long time no see, man. Got to get you on here again, man. You know.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
You're gonna have to get a bigger place.
They're gonna have to. It's way too small.
Where?
I don't know. I'll tell you another good place, Tinseltown.
It's too hard to get in and out of it.
No, but because there's one place. Yeah, there's one area there, right near that Sonic.
I know where one is, but I don't know if they'll do
They
it.
should go out there at Crossroads Mall.
Well, you know where they should go?
Where's that?
In Midwest City at the old abandoned mall.
That's right.
The whole thing
Heritage
is
Park
empty.
Mall.
Yeah, the whole. They just sold it to the city. All you have to do is contact the
Let's go
city.
check out this police, man. Let's get. Oh yeah. There you go.
Hey, sir.
All right, brother.
I like these Corvettes, but you know what? I have a hard time getting in it. It's so low.
Which one?
But any of
Oh,
them,
yeah, yeah,
all
yeah.
the Corvettes are low. Man.
Okay, is that Ducati? That's a Ducati.
And remember that one we saw at Midwest City with
Oh,
the
okay.
nice engine in the back?
That thing was nice.
Mid-engine.
Yeah. That thing was nice, man. John, I hope I see you tomorrow downtown, man. Motors in the alley.
I don't know. This already killed my legs today.
I'm gonna go home and soak my legs in some.
What kind of painkillers you take?
I'll just soak in Epsom salt.
Epsom salt?
I'm good. I'll be ready for
On your
tomorrow.
legs or your feet?
My feet. That's my
Your
feet.
hips that are bad though.
Yeah, but my hip, I put ice up here on my hip, and my feet, I just put. I'm good. I'll be ready. I'll be down there tomorrow for
I
sure.
got, you know what I take? I take that 600 milligram aspirin.
Yeah.
That shit don't tear your stomach up after a while.
I ain't messing with that stuff.
I know. After a while, you'll tear.
Yeah, I just use Epsom salt and some ice for my hip, and I'm good. I heard something. I knew I heard something back here. Look at this Corvette, man. That black one.
Yeah.
I knew I heard it.
You listen.
Oh yeah. I'm used to it. You know, we do this all the time. I'm used to certain sounds. You know what, Craig? When you do this as much as me and John, you hear certain sounds, even though you don't say you can hear it. Yeah, exactly. Like that, you know. Yeah. Because I can hear certain sounds, certain cars I like. I hear them. I hear them long before I see them. Yeah, they know we up here YouTube. They know. You can't go through this, sir.
Let the Ford come to you. Yeah.
Is that from Denmark, Sweden?
Is it? That's good.
That's good.
So, man, where are these cars made at, man?
What is it? Is it a
Where are they made? Are they made in where they made? Denmark, Sweden? Huh? Sweden? Sweden. Okay. We don't see many slobs out here, man. We don't.
Not anymore.
Yeah.
Wish they were still around.
Yes, sir. Ooh, look at this Hellcat, John. John, check out this Hellcat. Red eye. That's a red eye Hellcat. What's going on, brother? How you doing? Oh, there you go. There you go. We got. Did you get it, John?
Yep.
Go ahead. I appreciate it, brother. Thank you, man.
I need to get into YouTube.
Huh?
I need to get into YouTube.
Yeah, man. Look how old we are. I'm in my. I'm 68. How old are you, John?
I'm not telling you.
Well, I ain't swear. I'm 68 and I'm doing YouTube, man. I'm out here with all these young folks doing YouTube, man.
Well, all these old guys are the ones that have the cars, man. They're all
Look,
retired.
that's a BMW motorcycle.
Yeah.
That's nice.
All they just work on that car and shine it up.
Oh yeah.
But you know what? A lot of them, they're just really happy if you stop and ask them a question about the car. You know?
Oh yeah.
They like it.
You know, do you know who the guy
That one TV show?
Oh, it was it's a
Oh, okay.
he started in Dallas.
That thing's pretty, man. Look at that thing.
That looks like the Blue Angel color.
Beautiful.
You see that Blue Angel?
Yeah, that. See that in Choctaw.
Yeah, that Blue Angel.
Yeah, that.
I put that up and got like 5,000 views.
Damn. You know what, Greg? I'm gonna tell you something. If you be a YouTuber, sometimes if you put like if you film this and you put a certain cup there, you don't get no views. All you gotta do is just change the picture. Sometimes you, Greg, sometimes your title, your description, like when the title, it may not be catchy enough. Change the title.
Change your thumbnail, thumbnail too?
Huh?
The thumbnail?
If they first try the thumbnail, see if that'll work. If that don't work, change the title. And then I always put a description.
Okay.
You know, I was out here May the 2nd, blah, blah, blah. Sometimes they don't get it. Just change stuff.
Okay.
Because I learned that. You know that too, John. You learn that. Yeah. It's just little things you got to do. Just instead of you use this as a thumbnail, this one right here, this blue one. It's not working, do this black one. Or do one of these other cars out here. Just change thumbnail, the description. May the 2nd, 2026, coffee and cars. If that don't work, try something else. Try until you start getting followers. Getting views. I've learned a lot of stuff. I've learned a lot.
Ain't even my birthday, but I can ball if I want to. Pull up on cars if I want to. I got that bitch with that all in my jumpsuit. Just do what I say and I love it. Okay? I get this shit from my own. I told back get 22 inches a week and I
love it, John. No problem, bro. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you, brother. Yes, sir.
I'll be looking for you on YouTube.
Yeah, man.
He's only like 17, 18.
What do you say? 20?
So you got to be over a certain age to be on YouTube anyway. I think over 14 or 18.
Yeah, he looked very young for 20. What, over there? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Let's go film it, John. Come on, let's walk on over there.
I'm driving in. I got him driving in.
Oh, okay. Where you doing crab crawling? Crab crawling Mike, baby. baby.
I'd like to take it down to the river.
Oh yeah. Down there, have some fun.
Heck yeah. They done had fun on it. Look at it. Look at all the mud.
Oh yeah. Right here? Nope.
Oh, Jimmy. Pulling machine. High cheese.
Road.
All right, y'all, I'm finna shut it down, man. I'm gonna get out of here. My legs is killing me now. Cause I want to go downtown tomorrow.
I could hardly walk to my van now, man. My legs-
Just take your time, man.
Yeah.
I'm right here.
Yeah, you're lucky.
Yeah, but I got here early.
Give me a ride.
Come on, shit. By the time I get you over there and all this stuff, you be over there by then.
See where my van is on the road?
I
That's
see.
how far your donut is.
Yeah, that's right.
I like these trucks right here. That's pretty cool. The lowrider truck. You ever go to the lowrider event? They don't have one.
No, cause I'm used to certain low riders.
They shut one down, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Why they got too rowdy?
Yeah, probably, yeah. They'll want to fight about it.
All right, guys, welcome out here. All right, guys, welcome to 392. I'm finna get out of here. I've been out here. I had a lot of fun out here, guys. Please like, subscribe, leave me some comments, give me a thumbs up, please, and I'll see you guys. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Appreciate it. You guys take care and have a good one. I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, this is Uncle Mike 392, and I'm signing out. Peace, baby. Late.